Hello, this is Ivan and now we are still here in Howlers, Manila. At kasama po natin ngayon si Kuya Gab.
Yes, hi, I'm Gab Sol.
Kuya Gab, how's your experience here in Howlers, Manila?
So actually, so far, I'm enjoying talagang walwal. So, mahilig ako magwalwal, mahilig ako mag-cosplay. So, I love na napagsama yung dalawa.
Oo nga kuya, tingin ko pa lang sa ganda ng looks mo, talagang ang pogi mo dyan. Ng isang cosplayer kuya, sino pala ang iyong ginagaya na karakter?
I'm cosplaying Yoru from Valorant. Bali, he's a duelist agent in Valorant, no? One of the most difficult agents to use. I don't use him personally, pero I love his look. I wanted to bring him to Howlers.
Okay, that's very nice kuya. Napakaganda at napaka-pogi mo sa suot mo ngayon. Kung magkakaroon uli ng pagkakataon magkaroon ng Howlers 4.0, sasali ka ba uli?
Always, lagi! Siyempre. It's one of the events na very rare, walang ibang event as far as I know na ganito, na talagang music festival, cosplay festival, all in one. I wouldn't miss this.
Okay Kuya Gab, may social media ka ba na pwede naming i-follow para makita pa ng ibang mga fans mo ang iyong pagko-cosplay?
Sure, kung okay lang naman, you guys can follow my Facebook. I'm Gab Sol, so that's Gab S-E-O-L. If kung okay lang sa inyo, you can follow me. And guys, support our local cosplayers. Yeah, respect our cosplayers. They're putting so much effort to bring their favorite characters to life. No, if you see a cosplayer, try to support them as much as you can. They're giving so much love for their characters as well.
Okay Kuya Gab, thank you so much.